You mentioned they need CNC machines here in Australia to kickstart the process, and you mentioned per CNC machine is about 1 million.
Yeah, depending on what kind of CNC machine you are after, there are very different machines,
different,
and
okay.
there are already companies these days, more and more companies who try to make a positive change in the industry.
Yeah.
So there are fortunately more and more companies, designers, architects, builders, who are very aware of the shortcomings and want to push for better standards than merely complying with the legal minimum standards. That's not to be aspired to. It's there are already technologies and techniques available to us to make better homes, including better construction processes.